Heating a well-insulated house with a wood stove is not rocket science. The stove should be centrally located on the first floor with the living room open to the kitchen and stairs. The bedrooms should be situated on the second floor so that natural convection currents disperse evenly throughout the living area. An interior chimney lined with stones moderates temperature swings and minimizes heat losses. A stone wall in back of the wood stove not only provides additional thermal mass to store heat, but also provides a safe firewall. Hot water could be extracted from a water jacket inside the stove or a coil of copper tubing wrapped around a stovepipe. These are common methods used to make domestic hot water with a wood stove, but these methods are not well thought out because they interfere with the process of clean combustion. High temperatures are needed to ensure clean, smoke-free combustion. If the stove box is cooled prematurely to heat water, a serious problem may occur. It's better to remove wood heat after combustion takes place. An interior chimney provides an ideal surface for heat extraction. Soot-clogged exhaust pipes are a hazard that can be avoided by using a chimney to extract heat for domestic hot water. Chimney heat keeps a column of hot air rising, but that column of air should be smoke-free. After complete combustion takes place within the wood stove, it's all right to remove heat from the chimney with copper tubes. Chimney blocks provide a barrier between the high-temperature exhaust gases of the stove and the low-temperature water circulated through a network of copper tubes plastered to the outside of a chimney. Although water circulated through heat transfer tubes does cool down a chimney somewhat, this cooling effect is minimal. As a matter of fact, extracting heat from an interior chimney with water cools the chimney down less than an exterior chimney exposed to the elements. So, chimneys built outside collect more soot than chimneys built inside used to make hot water. As long as high temperature, complete combustion takes place within the wood stove, soot buildup will never be a problem. Plumbing a wood heat extraction system is much like plumbing a solar collector heat extraction system. The main difference has to do with the materials that the flow tubes are bonded to. Conventional collectors bond copper flow tubes to copper or aluminum absorber plates. Metallic absorber plates then transfer solar heat to copper flow tubes. Sometimes PEX flow tubes are used to carry the heated water, but metallic absorber plates are almost always used to transfer heat from solar collectors. Chimney heat transfer is a little different. Instead of using metallic absorber plates, the flow tubes are plastered directly onto the outer surface of the chimney blocks. But before doing this, the copper tubes should be painted with polyurethane. This protective coating of polyurethane prevents copper from reacting with the cement. Branch-connected plumbing provides an ideal method of distributing water through copper flow tubes. In this illustration, 4 heat transfer tubes carry water up one side of a chimney, and 4 other tubes carry the water down. Cold water flowing up through the left branch picks up some heat, and additional heat is picked up on the way down the right branch. Hot water exiting the flow tubes returns to the heat storage tank in the basement. Multiple drums may then be used to increase heat collector efficiency. This is accomplished by circulating the coldest possible water from the storage tank. Domestic hot water is gathered with PEX tubes stuffed inside storage tanks. Potable water flows through the PEX tubes to preheat water supplied to conventional hot water heaters. You may not get all your hot water from a wood stove, but you'll get what you need. If you need more, adjust the controller differential down and lower the thermostat on your hot water heater. If you feel brave, you could even turn off the fossil fuel heater. At any rate, your heat and hot water bill will be lowered and your chimney will remain clean.